Why do we sneeze? Sneeze. It's not just dust. Achoo. Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just about being sick. Your brain is behind it. Sneezing is your body's natural air purifier. When dust, pollen, or even strong perfume enters your nose, tiny hairs, cilia send a signal to your brain. The brain responds with a powerful message. Clear it now. So you sneeze 100 mph air blast that shoots out irritants, bacteria and even viruses. Fun facts: you can't keep your eyes open during a sneeze. It is a reflex. Try it, you won't win. Next time you sneeze, thank your brain. It just protects you. Follow for more cool body facts and secrets.